This squirrel is the reason that a lot of the blue jays can't land and get peanuts. One of them just left literally just now. So that's rude. I still like squirrels and everything like that. I know they have to eat too, and everything like that, but I have to feed the blue jays on the roof so that the cats don't get them. And I just wish there was a way for the squirrel to know that, because I literally throw peanuts on the grass too to prevent this, but there's nothing I can do. So usually after he finishes them, he leaves, or I don't know if it's the same squirrel. He leaves and I hear the blue jays again within the hour. They're like ready, so I throw like a couple of them out there and then they come and get them, so it's fine. But yeah, I just took a drink of coffee. It's decaf. There's some starlings across the street and that's amazing. For everyone who doesn't know, I found out that starlings are not native to the United States, and that in 1890, some kind of group of Shakespeare lovers or something like that released 100 of them on the streets of New York, or New York City, or whatever that park is called, I think. I don't know. And so now there's like so many starlings in the United States, and all of them are from the first 100 because they're from Europe. But I found out some people have pet starlings and they can talk. And I really want one. Sorry, that's my dog making all the noise. I wish I could show you the starlings across the street, but they're kind of far. And I don't really want to like show my neighborhood or my neighbor's house. So you're just gonna have to not see them. So I just wanted to say, I hate when people say come to fruition, or it came to fruition, or my goals are coming to fruition. That's gross. I hate the way it sounds. It sounds like so many things that I hate. It sounds like fusion. It sounds like fruit, which I like, but I don't like how it sounds like that. That annoys me. It annoys the bejesus out of me just when people say it. I was just listening to an interview and the woman said that her plans finally came to fruition. I knew she was going to say it, and I should have just exited immediately. First of all, you sound like a Disney movie villain when you say that. You sound like you're in a corner, rubbing your hands together, coming up with secret plans. And it freaks me out. So stop. It also sounds gross. It just sounds gross. Fruition. Like, ew. And is there like a different tense of that? Like, is it, like, can you be fruitioned? Or like fruit? Is fruit like the prefix or something? Oh my God. Hello. I don't know how to give you another one without scaring you. And I don't really want you here all the time. But I love you anyway. Oh, you're gonna fall. What are you even doing? He just took a seed out. I was wondering how the birds ate it that fast, and I was like, maybe it was a squirrel. Not okay. But it's fine. It's not his fault. Sometimes he gets in this house. Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes he gets in this little house thing. The squirrel. Not my dog, obviously. I love when they... Never mind, I don't want to... You need to stop. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, there he goes. That is so cute. I can't even be mad. That is so cute. Anyway, I don't like it when people say fruition. Pick a different word. It sounds like you're formulating some kind of conspiracy behind the scenes, and you're just gonna overthrow the world, like Pinky and the Brain from Animaniacs. Like, they could probably say it and it might make sense. My phone is gonna die, so I had to push a button. But yeah, please say something else. Fruition sounds gross. It sounds like rotten food. It reminds me of just, I don't even know the words. I also don't like the word frugal. Frugal. It's hard to say. And it sounds stupid. Frugal. It's not as bad as fruition. But it is gross. Like, even when you say it about a criminal, like, their plans came to fruition. Like, ew. Like, I don't want them to have any fruition. I don't want them to have it. I don't want their plans coming to fruition. It sounds like... It's just gross. I actually am ashamed that I said it so many times in this recording. I'm gonna go, somehow get rid of the feeling of knowing that I just said that a lot. Like, can you just say, like, your plans worked out or something like that?